This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and before I do anything today, I wanted to tell y'all that I'm really having problems with my blood sugars. And first thing I'm going to do is, it's been an hour since I ate, and I've gone back on keto, but I also had to go to the dietitian the other day for my diabetes, and I'm just gotten really confused. And so what I'm going to do is, I'm kind of going to make my own, with my knowledge of keto and my knowledge of diabetes, I'm going to kind of decide what I can eat and what I can't eat through that knowledge. And I know that you're not supposed to, like on keto, you're not supposed to eat pinto beans or beans, but for a diabetic, beans are a good thing. So I figure if I have 1 cup of beans a day, that's probably going to be okay, and I'm not worried so much whether I get into ketosis, as much as I'm kind of following keto recipes, because it, you know, they are a low carb recipe, and I am doing low carb. I don't know what you call it. I guess maybe this is called slow carb, but I do want to check my blood sugar. It's been 1 hour since I ate, and I ate a cup of pinto beans, and I ate about a cup of sauerkraut and 2 hot dogs. So I'm going to see how this affected my blood sugar an hour after I ate. So let's see, because this whole thing is, my A1C was 11.0, and I can't continue to do that. I don't want to go on insulin. And this morning my blood sugars were 171. After I got up, my morning blood sugar was 251, which I'm having a problem with my morning blood sugars. But anyway, let me see what this is. Alright. $234. So it went from, after eating the beans and the sauerkraut and the hot dogs, it went from 171 to 234. So that's a significant increase, but I'm doing it an hour after eating. It's been exactly an hour since I ate, so I'm doing it an hour after I've eaten, and usually they say do it 2 hours. So I'll wait another hour, and I'll take it then and see what it is then, because I think after an hour it's going to affect anybody's. But what I'm doing now and today is, I'm going to fix some cabbage in my Instant Pot. And I have the 8-quart Instant Pot, and I've got 2 heads of cabbage here. I'm trying to make sure that I have food around at all times, so that if, you know, I don't have to worry, and I'm not tempted to go out to eat or such and such. So I'm trying to make sure that I have good healthy vegetables that are around, and I've been doing pretty good. And I've also been making sure that I have sausage cooked for breakfast, or bacon cooked, or hard-boiled eggs, or something like that. But what I'm going to do right now is, I've got these 2 heads of cabbage here, this one and this one, and I'm going to cut these up and get them ready to go in the Instant Pot, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I've got both heads cut up And in my Instant Pot, I've got 1/2 stick of butter that I'm just going to lay right here on top of it. I've got kosher salt. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of salt all around on top. I think I'm going to do 3, which would be a tablespoon of kosher salt. Alright, and then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of coarse ground black pepper. Then I'm going to put a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. That'll be 3 teaspoons. I just brought in my teaspoon. Alright. I got this cabbage at the store, so this is not fresh cabbage like I got from up on the mountain last week. Gosh only knows where the cabbage that I got at the store came from. Alright, let me find my well, where is it? Oh, here it is. My cayenne pepper. I'm gonna put in, let me see, not quite a teaspoon, but I do want the cabbage to have some kick to it. So I'm going to use cayenne pepper there, and then I've got 1 can of Swanson chicken broth. Whoa, can't. Swanson chicken broth, and I'm just going to pour this over the cabbage and the salt and the pepper. Alright, and then I'm going to make sure that my lid is set on sealing, which it is. I'm going to put it on here, lock it, and then let me get this down and I'll show y'all what I'm going to do. Turn this around some so you can see. Zoom in. Alright, so I'm going to go manual. I'm going to come down to 8 minutes, and I'm going to forget it for it's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes to come up to pressure, and then the 8 minutes, and then I'm going to do a 10-minute release. That means after those 8 minutes are up, I'll let it release for 10 minutes, and then I'll do a quick release on it. So I'll bring y'all back then. Okay, I'm back. Alright, here's my cabbage. You can see it looks so good, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love cabbage. Alright, I'm going to put some in a plate, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I've just put a little bit on the plate so that you all can see it. And I'm going to taste it and see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh. That little bitty bit of cayenne pepper gave it a, it's got a little bit of a, some heat to it. And the pepper and the salt. And cooking it in the chicken broth. This is the first time I've just actually cooked cabbage by itself in my Instant Pot. Alright, this is amazing. It is amazing. Wow. The Instant Pot just brings out the flavors of everything. That is so good. Alright, this is definitely a keto dish. Definitely. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below to links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and there'll be links to different Instant Pot accessories that you can purchase from Amazon. There's no extra charge. If you click on the links below, it's nothing extra. It just gives the channel some help so that I can continue buying food and stuff and cooking for y'all. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.